Hello YouTube, hope this video finds you well. I'm back with another video on the channel. As you all know, I started documenting a 50k gold funded trader account. Here, told you guys I'll be dropping my P&L videos for the week. Oh, this is the first one. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm a forex trader. I document my journey here online. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you're welcome. On board. Watch the videos. So guys, I took my first trade today on gold. Well, I closed that on break even though, and then the second trade was also taken today on AUD USD, which was a win. It was a nice win though, yeah. Made about $900 on that. By the time I closed on break even, like plus minus $9 because like I saw something that my mind told me that it was no longer a valid trade. So yeah, I had to change it, had to close it. Yeah, but like I'll show you guys the setup shortly and what made me to take the trade. Alright, so this was the setup on Australian dollar, the second trade I took. Yeah, so it was just like right to the peep. And this entry was mad. I shared this on my Instagram. Most of you saw the post, but like yeah, this was the trade that made me like 900 dollars. So like I told you guys, I'm not majorly focused on strategy. So but like if you go to the 1 hour chart, what's the 1 hour chart, you see that the trade entered this fair value gap. Yeah, this was why I took the trade. It entered the fair value gap. Why did I choose to take the trade when the market approved this fair value gap? It was because the fundamentals were in favor of AUD. USD was stronger because this week COT moved in favor of USD for the first time in the year. COT moved in favor of USD, so um I took this trade without hesitation, and then yeah, paid out. And if you see, AUD is still falling till date. Understand? So this was the reason I took this trade. So yeah, that was it. It was a nice win. Happy to start off with a win. So like almost 2% up now. So let's see how tomorrow plays out. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be seeing an opportunity, but yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I got cooked today. Today being Thursday. Um, I took some treats and didn't really go well like at all. Like almost I lost almost every every trade I took today. Like can see for yourself. He dealt with me, man. I took 4 losses in a row. Why reason being because like fundamentals were still in favor of. I was thinking fundamentals were still in favor of USD, but like the sentiment changed to um JPY. So I started buying from this fair value gap, came and then took me out. I bought from this demand, took me out. Bought from this demand, took me out. Even bought from the last cause like if you look, I don't change the view of the chart, but like there's another demand somewhere. I bought and it took me. I just finally rested and like just accepted that it was a bad day for me. So yeah. So Thursday wasn't a good day at all. But like I managed my risks well because like I didn't exceed more than $500 on on my trades. Like my normal risk is like 500 per each trade, but like one was like 580, and because of like that was because of spread also. Because initially it was just 500 I placed the stop loss, but like yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings though. Let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm still positive that tomorrow will be a good day. And this goes to show what happens if you trade against the fundamentals, because that was what I did. Trading against the fundamentals. I didn't know that um the fundamentals were no longer in favor of the USD, so it was still buying, but like JPY took over part today. And then yeah, I got to pay for it, man. Like it's crazy. But let's see tomorrow if I just two good trades can get me back on track. Cause like I'm always going for a 1:2. So for every $500 I'm risking, I'm aiming to make 1,000 or thereabout. Right. So let's see, man. But like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Once you take these losses, it can mess with your head. So my advice would be two losses in a row or three, just calm down and just let that day pass. Just know that today is not my day. Because like think I will be adding that to my rules. But whatever, man. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Hey guys, man, today being Friday, it was a good day. Today was a good day, honestly. I made over 1,580 something dollars to cover up for yesterday's losses. And yeah, we are back up like 670 something dollars. That's over 1%. So I'm happy. I took some trades on silver and then one trade on gold. I sold silver and then gold. Um, so let me hit my chart shortly and then show you guys what I saw before taking those trades. And yeah, these are the trades I took on Friday, yeah, for silver. Silver, the first trade was, yeah, I actually caught the initial first push down. Then I took profit here during this fair value gap. This was why I took my profit because I didn't want to give back the market what I've made. Then thing retraced back a bit. There was a fair value gap here also. So I entered again, but this time I reduced my risk. I entered again, and then I entered again here, thereabouts. So it was like altogether three trade. I was hoping to ride down to taking this low, but I believe it will next week. But they didn't get there, so I just had to close. I didn't want to hold over the weekend. So those are the trades I took there on silver. Let me show you guys the one for gold. So here was the one I took on gold. Why did I take the gold trade? Because you know that silver and gold are works in the same direction. Anything that silver is doing, gold will be doing the same thing. So I knew that the fundamentals on Friday were in favor of gold. Sorry, were in favor of USD because like there's no demand for gold because like the Iran war, like US are trying to like calm down. Like Donald Trump is not sending new troops to Iran, so there's no demand for gold. Immediately it retraced back to this fair value gap. I just decided to short it and then see the results. I took my profit when it took this low. So um that was that. So guys, that was it. That was it. So see, risk management will always keep you long term in the game. And then I talked about fundamental analysis. I knew USD now have the upper hand. That was the reason I sold silver and then I sold gold. So man, it was a great week and a nice way to end the week. See you guys next week. So guys, that was it for the week. It was really a crazy week, but thank God we came out profitable, almost like $600 in profit. Let's see what next week brings. So what I learned from this week's trading is always follow your risk management. As you can see, it wasn't skill because majority of the trades were losses, but I was still able to come out with over 1% on profit because I followed my risk management. I was judicious with it. Like I followed it as I said I would. So that was the only thing that made me to come out profitable this week. So what I learned is always follow your risk management. If you watch my previous videos in the past, one thing I've always preached is risk management. That's what's going to keep you long term in the game. Not even strategy. Like you guys, so I not even follow a particular strategy. I was just following the fundamentals mostly, not really a strategy. But like, but my risk management was okay. So I was able to come out 1% on top this week. Let's see what next week brings. I hope it's also going to be a positive week. But like without further ado, See you guys on the next video. Do well to subscribe to the channel so YouTube can recommend this video to another individual just like yourself. See you guys next week.